Banana stems hide strong fibers beneath layers of moisture-rich plant tissue. This layer looks clean and mature. Healthy plantation rows provide the raw material for durable natural textiles.
Pressure is steady on this row. Those stems are ready for tomorrow's pickup.
Careful field management keeps every banana plant productive and fiber-rich. Mature pseudostems develop long cellulose bundles, ideal for textile-grade extraction. The outer layers are ready to separate.
Flow looks even all the way down.
Consistent irrigation supports thick stems with strong, continuous fiber structures. After fruit harvest, each remaining stem becomes valuable fiber feedstock. Mark this one for the afternoon crew. Inspectors measure stem thickness before approving material for industrial fiber recovery. That one meets the recovery standard.
Parallel cellulose strands give banana fiber its strength and flexibility.
Fresh stems contain sap that must be removed during fiber processing. Moisture is high, just as expected. Inner stem layers yield finer fibers than weathered outer sheaths. The inner layers produce the finest usable strands. Controlled shade drying reduces moisture while protecting valuable fiber strength.
These need another hour before bundling.
Flexible strands withstand repeated bending without losing their structural integrity.
Good recovery, with no visible splitting. Workers grade stem layers by cleanliness, length, color, and texture.
Grade A fibers are the longest and the cleanest.
Microscopic ridges help banana fibers grip tightly during textile spinning. The surface ridges are consistent across this sample. Experienced crews harvest spent banana stems with careful, coordinated movements.
We'll start with the marked stems on this side.
Veteran harvesters cut low to preserve maximum usable stem length.
Cut is clean. Prepare to guide it down.
Guided lowering prevents bruising and protects the longest continuous fibers. Easy now. Keep the core off the ground. Field trimming removes excess foliage before stems enter collection carts.
Keep every trimmed surface clean for the mill.
1, 2, 3, lift! Padded team lifting protects heavy stems and reduces fiber damage.
Load is secure, keep the pace steady.
Harvested stems now move toward sorting, weighing, and factory transportation.
Freshly harvested stems arrive at field stations for organized initial sorting. Bring this load into sorting bay 2. Workers separate stems by size, freshness, and visible surface condition. Place the straight stems in the premium group.
Remove only the damaged section and preserve the length.
Careful trimming removes damaged tissue before the stems leave plantations. Field teams record every load to maintain complete material traceability. 24 stems confirmed from Block 7. Sorted stems are bundled securely for efficient handling and transport. Stop there. The bundle is secure without compression. Mechanical lifts reduce strain while protecting valuable moisture-rich stem layers.
Clear above. Continue slowly to trailer height.
Padded straps prevent crushing during loading onto specialized transport trailers.
Set the bundle against the forward support.
Balanced loads improve road safety and preserve consistent fiber quality. Weight is even across both sides. Drivers complete detailed inspections before departing the rural collection area. Lights, tires, doors, and restraints all check out. Every shipment receives identification tags linking stems to plantation records.
Seal number matches the digital manifest.
Covered trailers shield fresh stems from sunlight, dust, and dehydration. Shipment is secure and moving on schedule.
Transport schedules minimize delays between harvesting and industrial fiber extraction.
Arrival remains on time with no delays.
The convoy follows monitored routes toward the regional processing facility.
Facility entrance is clear. Continue to receiving.
Temperature and humidity remain within the approved range.
Temperature checks confirm the stems remain fresh throughout the journey.
Factory receiving crews prepare equipment before each scheduled shipment arrives.
Shipment A17 is arriving exactly on schedule.
Incoming stems are weighed to verify shipment volume and yield estimates.
Gross weight is stable. Record the shipment.
Inspectors examine cut surfaces for freshness, contamination, and physical damage. Fresh color, clean odor, and no visible contamination. Digital records connect every inspected stem with its original plantation.
Field records and shipment data match perfectly.
Approved stems go directly to the preparation line.
Approved stems move forward while rejected material enters controlled recovery channels.
Receiving conveyors deliver accepted stems toward the washing and preparation lines.
Maintain 1 foot separation before the wash section.
Rotating spray arches wash field debris from every incoming banana stem.
Pressure is steady across every spray bank.
Soft brushes clean delicate outer layers without crushing valuable fiber bundles.
Keep the brushes light against the outer sheath.
Recycled water removes soil, while filtration systems reduce factory consumption.
Filtered water is ready for another cycle.
Optical sensors identify discoloration, damage, and remaining foreign material automatically. 1 damaged patch is marked for manual removal.
Veteran inspectors confirm cleaned stems meet strict processing standards consistently. Clean surface confirmed. Release this stem to cutting.
Precision cutters divide long stems into uniform, manageable processing sections.
Section length is set for the extraction line. Mechanical rollers flatten stem sections before controlled fiber separation begins.
Roller spacing is holding the correct thickness.
Operators adjust pressure settings to protect fibers from unnecessary breakage.
Pressure is low enough to protect the fibers.
Prepared stem strips enter staging racks in carefully sequenced production lots. Lot order is confirmed for continuous processing. Moisture balancing ensures every stem section enters extraction under stable conditions.
Moisture is balanced across the entire production lot.
Begin extraction at the approved feed speed. Decorticator blades scrape soft pulp away from strong cellulose fibers. Controlled feed rollers maintain consistent speed through the extraction chamber.
Feed speed remains synchronized with the scraping drum.
Separated fibers emerge in long ribbons coated with residual plant pulp.
Fiber flow is continuous with minimal strand breakage.
Water jets rinse loosened pulp from freshly extracted banana fibers. The rinse is removing pulp without tangling strands. Elderly operators monitor vibration, pressure, and alignment throughout continuous extraction. Pressure, vibration, and alignment are all holding steady. Secondary scraping removes stubborn tissue while preserving individual fiber length. The fine scraper removed residue without shortening fibers.
Combing rollers separate tangled strands into smoother, parallel fiber ribbons.
The combing rollers are opening every tangled section. Pulp recovery channels collect organic residue for composting and reuse.
Recovered pulp is ready for compost processing.
Inline cameras detect clumps, broken strands, and uneven fiber flow.
Alignment is corrected and defect levels remain low.
Primary extraction converts bulky banana stems into clean, continuous fibers.
Primary extraction is complete with strong, continuous fibers.
Secondary wash drums remove remaining sap and microscopic plant residue. Outlet water is clearing and the strands remain intact. Controlled pressing removes excess water without flattening delicate fiber structure.
Moisture is reduced without compressing the fiber bundle.
Warm airflow begins drying fibers while preserving flexibility and natural strength. The fibers are drying evenly without becoming brittle. Center moisture is stable across the full belt width. Moisture sensors regulate drying conditions across every moving fiber ribbon.
Gentle mechanical beaters loosen fibers and improve softness before combing.
The opened fibers feel softer and separate more easily.
Long strands are separating cleanly from the shorter fragments.
Fine combing separates short fragments from long textile-grade strands efficiently. Parallel rollers straighten fibers into smooth, uniform production webs carefully.
Edge alignment is centered across the entire fiber web.
Veteran inspectors remove knots that automated combs cannot fully resolve.
This knot will open without sacrificing usable length.
Fiber length classification determines each batch's best textile application category. Long fibers are assigned to premium textile production.
Short fibers are recovered for blended yarn and composite materials. This material will enter blended yarn production. Natural softening treatments improve flexibility without using harsh chemical processing. Treatment concentration matches the approved natural formulation. Circulation is reaching the center of every bundle. Conditioned fibers absorb treatment evenly through controlled immersion and circulation. Rinsing removes treatment residue while maintaining the fiber's natural color. Final rinse water is clear and within specification.
Precision dryers reduce moisture to stable textile processing levels for consistent handling. Final moisture is stable and the fibers remain flexible. Final combing produces clean slivers with highly aligned continuous strands.
The sliver is clean, even, and continuously aligned.
Carding machines blend fibers into uniform sheets for later spinning.
The carded web is uniform across its full width.
Measured blending combines fiber grades to achieve consistent yarn performance.
Blend proportions match the production recipe exactly.
Drawing frames narrow the fiber web into smooth, continuous slivers.
Auto-leveling is correcting every thickness variation.
Advanced alignment reduces tangles and prepares fibers for textile conversion.
The corrected sliver is centered and free of loops.
Refined banana fibers leave processing ready for quality evaluation testing.
Refinement is complete and the batch is ready for testing.
Final refining rollers smooth the sliver before formal quality inspection begin.
Final thickness remains even across the entire sliver. Precision cutters prepare standardized samples for laboratory strength and flexibility testing.
Every sample must match the approved test dimensions. Conditioning chambers stabilize moisture before technicians compare fiber performance results. Temperature and humidity are stable across every sample rack. Veteran inspectors evaluate color, cleanliness, and consistency beneath controlled lighting.
Natural color is consistent with only minor variation.
Approved fibers are arranged into uniform lots for comprehensive quality testing. Every test set represents the complete production lot.
Laboratory scales verify linear density across multiple representative fiber samples. Measured density remains within the premium textile specification.
Tensile machines measure exactly how much force each fiber withstands.
Maximum strength exceeds the minimum textile requirement.
Controlled bending tests reveal flexibility without damaging the prepared samples.
The sample recovers cleanly without visible surface cracking.
Abrasion testing estimates how fibers endure repeated friction during textile use.
Surface wear remains low after the required cycles.
Moisture analyzers confirm fibers remain stable under standardized laboratory conditions.
Moisture content is stable and safely within specification.
Microscopes reveal surface ridges, fractures, and remaining microscopic plant residue. Ridges are continuous with no significant fractures. Color measurements ensure every production lot maintains a consistent natural tone.
Color variation remains inside the approved natural range.
Cleanliness tests quantify foreign particles remaining within refined fiber bundles.
Foreign material remains well below the allowable limit.
Laser scanners verify fiber diameter and thickness remain consistently uniform.
Diameter variation remains consistent from end to end.
Inspectors classify visible defects before assigning the final quality grade.
Only minor defects appear within acceptable frequency.
Laboratory technicians test acidity to protect later dyeing and spinning processes. Acidity and soluble residue remain safely within specification.
Composition analysis measures cellulose content and remaining natural binding materials.
Composition results support strong textile processing performance.
Absorption tests show how quickly refined fibers move and retain moisture. Moisture movement is even across all tested samples. Statistical review combines every test result into one batch decision.
Every critical result supports premium grade classification.
Proved reference samples preserve complete evidence of each production lot. Reference sample secured, and the production lot is approved.
Approved fibers receive final conditioning before entering commercial packaging operations. Moisture and flexibility are balanced for packaging.
Final grooming removes loose strands and perfects each fiber bundle.
Surface fibers are clean, smooth, and ready for bundling.
Commercial weight is confirmed within the approved tolerance.
Precision weighing creates consistent commercial units for downstream textile manufacturers.
Compressed fiber bundles save space while protecting natural strand alignment. Compression is complete without disturbing strand alignment. Released production lots now advance into controlled packaging operations safely. This lot is officially released to packaging. Packaging technicians prepare clean materials, machinery, and traceability records carefully.
Packaging materials and equipment are cleared for startup.
Protective liners shield refined fibers from moisture, dust, and contamination.
The liner is clean, centered, and free of damage. Measured fiber bundles enter packaging stations in verified production sequence.
Bundle identity and orientation are both confirmed. Automated straps hold each bundle securely without crushing delicate fibers.
Straps are secure without marking the fiber surface.
Barrier wrapping protects fibers during storage, handling, and international transport. Every surface now have complete barrier coverage. Vacuum controls remove excess air while preserving fiber loft carefully.
Excess air is removed while fiber loft remains protected.
Finished packages receive final weight verification before sealing begins officially.
Gross weight and package identity are fully confirmed.
Heat seals create durable moisture barriers around every approved bundle. Seal path is clear and fully bonded.
Seal inspectors verify continuous edges, correct temperature, and package integrity.
Seal continuity and package pressure are both stable. Lot number, weight, and source information match. Printed labels connect every package to its complete production history. 8 codes document packaging time, lot identity, and storage guidance.
Date, time, and lot coding are clearly readable.
Barcode scanners confirm label accuracy before packages leave the line.
Barcode and printed information match the approved record.
Final packaging inspection checks seals, labels, weight, and cleanliness carefully. Package condition is clean, accurate, and fully approved. Approved fiber packages are arranged inside reinforced shipping cartons carefully. Package count and carton condition are confirmed.
The first pallet layer is square and stable.
Robotic palletizing builds stable loads for warehouse handling and distribution.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes palletized cartons for safe warehouse movement and storage.
Labels remain visible, and the load is fully secured.
Corner protectors prevent strap pressure from damaging stacked shipping cartons. Strap pressure is stable, and every corner remains protected. Pallet labels connect every carton with complete manufacturing and shipment records. Pallet identity and shipment data match the production records.
Automated checks confirm pallet dimensions, weight, balance, and stability requirements. Dimensions, weight, and stability are all within limits.
Finished pallets enter warehouse receiving lanes in verified production sequence.
Both pallets entered storage in verified production sequence.
Warehouse scanners assign every pallet a precise digital storage location.
Location 43 is clear and environmentally approved. Climate monitoring protects natural fibers from moisture and temperature changes.
Temperature and humidity remain stable throughout this aisle. High bay racking organizes finished fiber pallets by grade and destination. Pallet identity matches aisle 4, level 3.
Inventory systems track every pallet movement throughout controlled warehouse storage.
Every pallet movement is recorded in real time. Veteran inspectors perform routine warehouse checks for package condition and cleanliness. Packaging, racks, and aisle conditions are all acceptable. Selected pallets rotate forward according to production date and shipping schedule. The oldest approved pallet moves to shipping first. Shipping orders trigger automated retrieval from assigned high bay storage positions. Fork position is centered, and the load is secure. Outbound teams verify pallet identity before staging international customer shipments.
All pallets match the customer order and destination.
Dock scales confirm shipment weight before pallets enter export containers.
Shipment weight matches the approved container plan.
Set the pallet firmly against the approved blocking points. Protective blocking prevents pallet movement during long-distance container transportation journeys. Electronic seals protect container integrity and preserve complete shipping traceability.
Seal numbers match, and container tracking is active.
Final documentation confirms quantity, destination, customs details, and handling requirements. Quantity, documents, destination, and handling instructions are confirmed.
Sealed containers depart the factory for ports and regional distribution centers.
Container cleared for departure with tracking active.
Distribution centers receive, inspect, and route cartons toward textile manufacturers. Shipment arrived complete, dry, and ready for customer delivery.
Banana fiber completes its journey from discarded stem to valuable textile.
Premium banana fiber is approved for textile production.